Students, today we will see the next practical, that is assessment of problem solving ability. So, everyone knows that the problems are more around us. So, as an entrepreneur, so how we can minimize this problem with our own ability, that will improve our own confidence. So, we will see the next, that is the what is that problem solving skill. So, the problem solving skill, that is handle to difficult or unexpected problems or situations at your workplace, and how as well as the complex business challenges are there, that how we can manage it. So, that is the problem solving skill, and that is also a trait which can will really help to you that solve your problems at your own level, and as a best employer you will value to your employees also, and you will solve your problems whatever about the production and the solve the situations very carefully. Next one, that is the what are the problem solving skills we have in our life, that is the active listening, that is very important. So, if you listen to others, your 100% problems will solve very carefully, and you will discuss with others and solve it very well. So, next one is the analysis. The analysis of the situation we have to find out very well. So, this is the first one thing, that how we can analyze the situation, means which one made the which fault and due to what situations we are getting the problems. So, if we find that problem and the person and the situation, we will solve it very well, and with the discussions we can solve well. So, the research on it, why we failed it, that we have to find out first. Next one is the creativity. With the good creative mind, we have to solve our problems. So, these problems means about the finding out the new venues for the raw material, about the marketing strategies, about the distributors. So, these are the problems we have. So, for the new product we have to find out the list, and as per the list we have to give some creative discussions with them, and we can solve our management problems also, we can solve our distributor problems also, and we are solving the good problem levels about our employees also. So, that creativity we have to enhance more. Next, the communication. Yes, it is very important. Employer should develop the good communication with the employees, then the more problems will solve at their own level, because so many people are there who are making creation about the problems, who are the part of that problems, and they are giving blame to others. So, whenever the healthy discussions are there, healthy communication between the employer and employees, the middle person who are creating misconcept, that will minimize more. Next, the dependability. Yes, this is the very important thing, is we have to more dependent on our mentors, our good wishers. So, they are also having good ability to guide us. And next one is the team building. A good team is always help to solve the problems. Next, we will see the to solve the problems effectively, we have to feel free to different skills, and that skills, first one is the research. The researching is an essential skill to related to solve our problems as the problem solver, and you need to be analyze and identify the wise issues and understand it well. So, that we have to do to while do the research on our problem. So, next one is the analyze. So, analysis of the situation is very important, as we are very analytical about the problems, as we are very analytical about the production, we can find out the ways, and that analysis we get the confidence that we can minimize the problems in the production, we can minimize the problem about the employees, about the empowerment of the other people who are working with us as a distributor, as a helper. So, we have to give the good suggestion to them, that where they are lacking their skills and how they can improve the skills. So, this analysis as an employer, it is very important to understand the problems and develop the situations. Next one is the decision making. While we are very good employer, we should have the good decision making ability. So, at our industry, at our home, at the employees home, what the problems are there, that we have to analyze well and took the decisions where the we can help to them, or how we can help to our employees and how we can help to our enterprise. Because raw material availability, distributors availability, or non availability of the time, that are the crises are there. So, how we can minimize it? We can minimize it with the good decisions at the correct time, at the correct level. So, that requires the good solid researches and analytical skills that will help you to find out the problems, and correct decisions will help you to take the good decisions for the every solving to problem. Next, the communication. So, the after identifying the problems, the possible solutions will be available to us, and that we have to discuss with our teams, and we can solve the good at the good level. Next, the dependability is the most prominent important skill to problem solvers, that we need to solve the problems which are interdependent, and we have to find out it and solve it as per as. So, the solving problems is timely manner is very essential, because if the time lapse, that will not help us to find out the correct faults. For example, in the last 10 years back, the Eclairs chocolate got the more prominent issue, that is the some insect find out in that chocolates. So, the company immediately stopped the production, and they took the review committee about it, and they find it where some mistakes had happened and why these insects has find out in the chocolates. So, this is very important, that so many companies are there, they are correcting the problems, with these researches. Next, how the problem skills will be developed in our life, how we can improve our production, how we can improve our enterprise, how we can improve our enterprises franchises, how we can give it to others. So, these are the different segments, but it has the problems, and we need to develop the problem solving skills. So, how the acquire more technical knowledge in your field, because so many people are just paying more things, paying more money for just because of the lacking of technical knowledge. So, we have to grab the more technical knowledge in our field where we have started our own enterprise. Next one, the seek out the opportunities to problem solve. So, we have our peer groups, we have our legal advisors for our enterprise, we have to take the help from them, and these are the opportunity will develop the good your enterprise. Next, to practice problems, means so many problems we tackle the same time so many times. So, what we have tackled at the so many times, we have to find out the lacunas, and then we can solve the good solutions, or we can find the good solutions to solve it the next year or past years, whatever we have faced the situation. Next, observe how other problems can solved. So, this is very important thing, so many people are solving their problems within a while. So, how they have tackled it? So, we have to analyze this situation. So, we have some test, that test you have to solve in your manuals, and again whatever the statements are there, that statements you have to solve as per the numbers as given in front of that. So, you have to roll out whatever the numbers you liked about the particular statements. So, read that statements and just circle around which one you need to around it. Okay. So, make the rounds and you can get confirm what the problems, how we can solve it. Next, that is the as per the score you have got with the collection of these all rounded scores, you have to just score one, that is the 16 to 36, 37 to 58 and 59 to 60. So, which one is correct you have to collect for your as per solving this problem solving test. You have to see the comments, and that as per that comments how you are a very good problem solver for your enterprise in future, that also get the good knowledge about it. So, solve the test, write it on the your manual pages and solve test very carefully, because it will really help you in your future. Okay, thank you.